Samsung is getting ready to release two new phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, at an event called Samsung Unpacked on July 10, 2024. Even though the official launch is a few weeks away, some stores are already showing the phones on their websites. These review listings give us a good idea of what the new foldable phones will look like, showing them in different colors and from different angles. According to WinFuture, an Australian store called Harvey Norman has put up product pages too early for the Fold 6 and Flip 6. These pages will likely be taken down soon, but screenshots have been captured to save the information for the future. Let's take a closer look at the listings. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 listings were found for silver, navy, and pink colors. They show different storage options and prices in Australia. But before talking about the storage options and prices, let's talk about the design first. The pictures show that the two new smartphones with foldable screens have a design similar to the S24 series. Their edges will be less rounded than before, with a more angular look, especially noticeable on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is updating the design to resemble the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both new foldable smartphones include an external display. However, the Flip model retains the same panel as its previous version. What's new is a more colorful casing. Samsung is introducing a yellow version of the Z Flip 6 for the first time, and the Z Fold 6 is now available in a pink version as well. Now let's talk about storage options and prices. Galaxy Z Fold 6, 256 gigs storage, 2,749 Australian dollars, about $1,820. 8 gigs RAM plus 512 gigs storage, 2,949 Australian dollars, about $1,955. 8 gigs RAM plus 1 TB storage, 3,299 Australian dollars, about $2,185. We couldn't find information about the RAM for the 256 gigs variant, and there are no listings for a larger 2 TB storage option. It's possible that the 2 TB version either doesn't exist or won't be sold in Australia. The listing doesn't provide detailed specifications, but it confirms that the phone has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front screen and Armor Aluminum on the frame and hinge cover. It also mentions that the phone weighs 239 grams. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is available in silver, blue, yellow, and mint colors according to the listings. The details for the Flip were less extensive. 256 gigs storage, 1,799 Australian dollars, $1,190. 512 gigs storage, 1,999 Australian dollars, about $1,325. We couldn't find information about the RAM or listings for a higher 1 TB storage option or a lower 128 gigs storage option. It's possible that these variants either don't exist or won't be sold in Australia. The Flip 6 listing, similar to the Fold 6, doesn't give detailed specifications. It confirms that the phone features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the front display and Armor Aluminum for the frame and hinge cover. We'll need to wait for more leaks to come out in the next few days. Samsung will likely confirm all the details during the Unpacked event. Most details about these new foldable phones have already been leaked. Recently, their designs were shown again through leaked pictures of their official cases. The designs of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be very similar to the previous models. Leaked pictures of Samsung's official cases for these new phones were posted on a post-image gallery by ex-user at Mystery Lupin. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 still has a folder-shaped cover screen with 2 cameras and an LED flash on the outside. The phone is shown in its silicone case with a ring, which makes it easier to carry in use. And the image of the phone is shown in the same case but in navy blue and mint colors. The new clamshell-style foldable phone still has a side-mounted fingerprint reader. Its design looks very similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It is reported to have a 4,000 mAh battery, but it's unclear if this will make the phone thicker. In the image, you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It seems to have a more square inner screen, thinner bezels, and sharper corners, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Leaks suggest it has a titanium frame and a side-mounted fingerprint reader. The battery capacity is said to be the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 5. In the images, you can see the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the official clear case, standing case with strap, and slim as pen case. The clear case shows off the phone's design better. The phone has a shorter and wider cover screen, a triple camera setup on the back with black rings around the cameras and an LED flash. Samsung has officially announced the date for its next Unpacked event. The wait is over, and they have released the first official teaser for the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024. People have been guessing for months that the event would be on July 10 in Paris, but it's nice to finally have official confirmation. Samsung's event will happen 16 days before the 2024 Summer Olympics begin. This Unpacked event is expected to be one of their busiest ever. Samsung has not revealed when these new devices will go on sale, but has opened pre-reservations for them. If you are looking at picking up any of the products, you can sign up with your name and email address to get a $50 credit. You can use this $50 credit to buy the new devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Plus, Samsung will enter you into a sweepstakes contest. If you win, you'll get a huge $5,000 credit, which lets you get almost all the devices for free. At the event, Samsung will introduce new flagship foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. They will also unveil their first ultra smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 7, alongside the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds. Additionally, Samsung will debut the Galaxy Ring, its first ever smart ring. Just like with the Galaxy S24 launch earlier this year, Samsung's press invitation focuses on Galaxy AI. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 will bring in new AI features that Samsung will eventually bring to older devices. Galaxy AI will also be available on Samsung's wearable devices. For tech lovers and Samsung fans, mark your calendars for the Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th. It will be exciting to see what Samsung unveils and how these new products and features will influence the future of mobile technology. According to rumors, there could be up to 5 color choices for these phones. Remember, this is just speculation and might not be completely accurate. The new images reveal that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a squarer shape. The back camera sticks out more than before. The outer screen is now 60.2mm wide, which is wider than the 57.4mm on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This makes the new model's outer screen 5% wider. Blotter Ice Universe shared a diagram of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It has a 7.6-inch screen when opened up. The screen shape is almost square, with a ratio of 8 to 6.9. When unfolded, the phone measures 132.6mm by 153.5mm. It weighs 238 grams and is 5.6mm thick. The blotter compared it to a smaller version of the Vivo X Fold 3 with a similar screen ratio. Samsung will reveal more details at the Galaxy Unpacked event for fans to look forward to. The new colors and design changes make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 an exciting update for those interested. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.